Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is a motion spotlight. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. This is going to be rechargeable with this USB-C cable that's included. They also give you some screws here, 4 screws to go ahead and get this mounted, whether it be on your porch, on the side of the house, around the deck. And again, motion sensor. It's got an array of 6 LEDs here. That's going to be 600 lumens, and this has a 4,000 milliamp battery. Now, the way that you charge this is that there's a unlock up here, which is a twist to turn. So we can unlock it. This is just a plastic housing. And we're going to be greeted here with our rubber gasket because this is going to be IP65 waterproof. And this is where we'll recharge. And there is a on and off button here, right there. So if I click it, you can see that the light comes on. And again, this is 100 lumens, so pretty bright. And again, when it gets dark, this is only going to come on when it's dark. And when it's dark outside and you walk across the sensor, it's going to light up your area you point this to. So we can go ahead and snap this back in. This would be mounted on a wall. You walk by and it's going to trigger. So this is going to be great security around the property and pretty straightforward. When you need to recharge it, you just unscrew this part, take it off, right? This still stays mounted to the wall and you just need to recharge this. Easy to do. It snaps right back in. So this is from Noctella. This is the brand. So if you're looking for a pretty straightforward spotlight that is rechargeable through USB-C, then check out Noctella, and a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I can do this review.